Hello everyone, my name is Shivli Murmu. My BGM number is 1206. I am 34 years old. I am Christian. I can't eat pork but I can cook. I am married. My husband is a farmer. I have two daughters. My first daughter is 12 years old and second daughter is 6 years old. I want to go to Hong Kong for work because I want to earn money and support my family. Give my kids study. I know how to take care baby, children, elder person and pets. I know some cook, Chinese dishes, marketing, household work, wash clothes, iron clothes and car washing. I am honest and hardworking. Please, sir, ma'am, choose me as your domestic helper. Thank you, sir and madam. See you in Hong Kong. Bye bye. Hello, Taika ho. O Q Shuli Murmu, O ko BGM, Yat Ilang Lok. O Kamlin, Sam Sab Se Choi, O Hai Christian Kautho. O Sek Chu Yok, O Sek Au Yok. O Kit Chou Fan, O Lokung Chou Kathing. O Yao Leong ko Siu Bangi O Goite Lojai. Yat ko Sapi Choi, Yat ko Lok Soy. O Siong Hoi Hong Kong Chowe, Yan Oi, Wan Toti Jin Pe Oke Yan. Pe O Chai, Tuk Sui. O Sek Jui, Siu Siu Chung Kok Sung, Cheng Kit Oke, Sai Sam, Dong Mai Sai Che. O Sek Chiu Ku Siu Bangiao, Loyan Ka Peng Yan, Cao Chai, Mao Chai, Koi Sing Sang, Thai, Kan O Pong Lete, Chiu Ku, Loyan Ka. तो चेसाई सिंग संग थाई थाई हाई हांगकांग किन लेते बाय बाय